Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. What follows is my personal experience using the MCT website. The website in question, mctvohio.com, appears to be associated with Marion County Transit in Ohio. While the URL is concise and easy to remember, the website itself presents a somewhat mixed experience. Navigating the site can be challenging, and information isn't always readily accessible. While the core purpose, to provide details about public transportation in Marion County, is evident, the site could benefit from some improvements in user-friendliness and design. For instance, the layout could be streamlined to prioritize key information like routes, schedules, and fares. Improving the search functionality would also be a valuable enhancement, allowing users to quickly find specific details without having to click through multiple pages. The site's visual presentation could also be modernized to enhance its appeal and improve readability. Perhaps incorporating more visual elements, such as maps and interactive route planners, would greatly benefit users. Additionally, ensuring mobile responsiveness is crucial in today's digital landscape. The website should adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes, providing a consistent experience on smartphones and tablets. Furthermore, incorporating clear calls to action, such as prominent buttons for route planning or fare information, would enhance user engagement. Adding a frequently asked questions (FAQ) section could also address common queries and reduce the need for users to contact customer support directly. Consider expanding accessibility features to cater to users with disabilities. This could involve features like alternative text for images, keyboard navigation, and compatibility with screen readers. Finally, the website's content could be enriched with more detailed information about services, including special accommodations, accessibility options, and contact information. While the site serves its basic function, investing in these improvements would significantly elevate the user experience and better serve the needs of the community.